Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we've got a quick video on something that I think is really important. If you've got a renovation, new construction, any kind of project that might involve replacing or getting a new HVAC system, you're going to want to make sure that you get a Manual J completed for that project. So first off, what is a Manual J? Manual J is a specific procedure that HVAC professionals use to calculate how much heating or cooling your house or building actually needs. Why is this important? Well, let's go over the top 5 reasons why you need a Manual J. Number 5 is code compliance. If your renovation or new construction project requires that you need a mechanical permit, you're also going to be required to have a Manual J. The 2021 International Energy Conservation Code states, heating and cooling equipment shall be sized in accordance with ACCA Manual S based on building loads calculated in accordance with ACCA Manual J or other approved heating and cooling calculation methodologies. So what this means is the building official or plan reviewer that's looking at your permit is going to be comparing what size AC system you're installing to that Manual J to make sure that it matches up with the actual load needed. Number 4 is cost savings. Now, this might seem counterintuitive since typically you'll have to pay something up front to have the Manual J completed for your project, but this actually ends up saving you money in the long run. Investing in a correctly sized HVAC system can prevent costly issues down the road like premature equipment failure, frequent repairs, and inefficient operation. And not to mention, it saves you money on your electric bill not having a system that's oversized. So all of these things make it worth it to go ahead and invest in that Manual J upfront. Number 3 is comfort. The whole point of having HVAC systems in our homes and offices is to make the indoor environment as comfortable as it can be for us to spend time in. By investing in a Manual J, you're preventing issues like having hot and cold spots or humidity that's too high from a system that shuts off too quickly. So overall, investing in a Manual J is investing in making sure that your home stays comfortable year-round. Number 2 is energy efficiency. Modern-day construction methods have improved a lot over the previous methods, including more efficient insulation and windows and various other factors that overall make a very efficient house. And Manual J takes all of those factors into account. A lot of people are very surprised to find out what size system their house actually needs because it's usually not as big as they think. You know, back in the day when people were just using a rule of thumb based on square footage to size systems, that actually worked at the time just because the construction was not very efficient, so the heat gains on houses were a lot higher. But with the modern methods that we have today, systems really don't need to be as big as they used to. So by investing in the right size, you're helping save energy and contribute to that overall efficient construction. And before we move on to number 1, make sure you take a minute and hit that like button down below if you like this video, and the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to our channel. So, our number 1 reason for why you need a Manual J is health and indoor air quality. Having an oversized AC system can cause multiple issues in your home, not the least of which is mold. When a system is oversized, it means that it cools the air temperature too quickly and it shuts off before it has a chance to remove enough humidity from the air. This excess humidity inside the home over time can lead to mold and mildew growth, which is obviously not good for anybody's health. So by getting a Manual J completed, you can make sure that you have the right size system for your house so that it's going to not only change the temperature as much as you need it to, also remove enough humidity to keep that humidity level right around 50%. So by investing in a Manual J, you're making sure that you're investing in your family's health and comfort and indoor air quality for your home. Thank you guys so much for watching our video on the top 5 reasons why you need a Manual J. If you do find yourself needing a Manual J for your construction project, Feel free to reach out to us at www.procalcs.net, and we'll see how we can help you make sure you get the right size AC system for your project.